Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Before you go on with the video, please like, subscribe my channel for more interesting videos. This is the first procedure on how to withdraw money from your PayPal account. So if you need to follow up all the steps, you need to subscribe my channel so that you go on with the first steps. What you are going to do, you have to download these particular apps in your phone if you are going to withdraw money from your PayPal account. As you can see, this is my PayPal account, and you need to download your Swift application from which you will have to log in, open up an account, sign up, put in your details, passwords, email, your national ID number. After finishing, it is very easy. Then you will just come here, you click on your dashboard, make sure you have your PayPal account already set. You have everything set in your PayPal account. And next, if we are going to withdraw money from your PayPal account, what you need is to click PayPal. You click on PayPal. After clicking on PayPal, what you need, you have to own a Swift card. This is the card you have to own. So as of yet, I haven't purchased one card, of which I'm going to purchase it today, which I'm going to purchase it in a few minutes. Then I will come back with the end of my video. So what you have to do is to go, you see this number down here, you will send a message hi to it so that you get an express card at just $50 before you continue the transaction. This card you will be able to use it forever and ever. So you open up an account, you buy a Swift card. After buying it, they'll give you a code here to redeem. After redeeming the code, you have a card. From this card, you'll be able to download money from your PayPal account again and again within a few steps. Thank you so much. Subscribe my YouTube channel for more interesting video like this one.